Hello everyone, and in this video we will see what is Microsoft Power Apps Portals, which is a part of our free Microsoft Power Platform tutorials for beginners video series, where we will learn about what is Microsoft Power Platform and its related components in nutshell in each of these videos. So as far as this video is concerned, we will learn about what is Microsoft Power Apps Portals in nutshell. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Abhishek Doria and you are watching Dynamics Academy YouTube channel. So let's get started. Subscribe to Dynamics Academy and press the bell icon on your YouTube app to never miss a video from Dynamics Academy. So let us now first of all understand what is Microsoft Power Apps Portals. Basically, Power Apps Portals is an advanced version of what was earlier known as CRM portals, with which you can engage with external customers and partners with the help of CRM portals, or nowadays you can call it as Power Apps portals. With the help of Power Apps portals, you can enable anyone to build responsive websites where you will be able to integrate all your data which is present in your CDS, which is a Power Platform component. So with the help of Power Apps portal, it will be easy for you to create and manage the content for your businesses. At the same time, the external users and partners can access this Power Apps portal using an intuitive interface and step-by-step guidance with no code required. So again, to set up and establish user interface in the form of website, you do not need to write any form of code to build these Power App portals. So if you know what was the use case of CRM portals, then you will be able to easily correlate what is Power Apps portal. So it's not only just the replacement of CRM portals, but the Power Apps portals are now enriched portals with modern driven forms, views, lists, charts, and dashboards to offer more value with the each interaction. So it is not simply replacing the old CRM portals with the new Power Apps portal, but along with that, you also get an advanced rich set of functionalities like model driven forms, views, lists, charts, and especially with respect to dashboards. So these are some of the key enhancements to the Power Apps portal. So let us now understand in little bit detail about these Power Apps portals. Power Apps makers can now create more powerful type of experience for external facing websites, which allows users outside their organization to sign in with their wide variety of identities, create and view data in common data service, or even browse contents anonymously. The full capabilities of Dynamics 365 portals previously offered only as an add-on to model-driven apps in Dynamics 365 are now available as a standalone in Power Apps. And at the same time, as I mentioned earlier, with the help of Power Apps portals, capabilities feature a revamped end-to-end experience for makers to quickly create a website and customize with pages, layout, and content. So there are many additional features were also added, and makers can also reuse page design through templates, add forms, and view to display key data from common data service and publish to users. So these were some of the key additional changes that were done on Power Apps portals. And having said that, this was all in nutshell about the use case of Power Apps portals and what are the key additional changes that happen to Power Apps portals. So that is an end to this video. In next video, we'll learn about what are Microsoft. I thank you for watching this video till the end. So if you have learned something new out of this video, then please like, share and subscribe to Dynamics Academy. And also press the bell icon so that you will never miss any update whenever we release a new video to our Dynamics Academy YouTube channel. And on that note, I end this video and take your leave. Hope to see you all in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care. And once again, thank you for your time.